What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 19 and Neo4J Cypher tutorial of course, and today's topic is list operators. So there are three different types of operations can be done using Cypher provided list operator. So one is concatenation, one is searching something using in operator, and one is dynamically accessing any list element using square bracket and variable name with the dollar prefix. So we'll discuss all these things in detail from Cypher and as well as from Python. So without wasting much time, let's start it. But before moving on with the video topic, highly recommend you guys please watch our other tutorials with Cypher, cause if you are not following those tutorials, then probably will be missing or will be difficult for you to understand these different types of tutorials. Cause I have started the tutorial in last from last 4 or 5 videos, like mathematical operator, comparison operator, string operator, boolean operator. There are multiple different types of operators, and every tutorial is like related with the previous or the next one. So let's start the video. Okay, so first operator is our concatenation operator. Okay, so let's with 3 as A, 3 4 as B, return A plus B as new list. So as I used this concatenation operator, so it will return 2, 3, 3, 4. So the new list will be like this. What happened? Okay, I just forgot this thing. Okay, so this is very simple. So let me write this thing in the slide. Okay, so this is the query, and this is going to return. Okay, I think I should do it in a single line. And the result is okay, and the result will be here 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay, in operator. Now in operator, in means we want to search something whether it is present or not. So let's see, let's remove this part. Unwind A as number with number where number in, let's give 1, 3, return number. So our number means 2 and 3 1 by 1, because we unwind is kind of a looping, and it will going to search in the list 1 and 3. This is not a list, this is a list of numbers, so you can think about that way. So ideally it should return only 3. So this is 3. This is again simple. We are using in operator to searching something. For searching something, okay. Okay, so return result will be this. Now the main part, dynamically accessing an element. So let's say we have a list of, let's say 5, 6. Okay, now you want to access, let's say first element. How you would like to do, how you want to do this, that is the main question. Okay, so I'm just thinking it will be easier to show you guys this thing from the Python console, but here it will be kind of difficult. I have to do some sort of other things, like I have to do some sort of parameterize, like how to use parameter from here, but I haven't done this tutorial, or haven't started this tutorial in our earlier lessons, so it will be kind of difficult. So I'll skip this part for here, but I'll try to explain this thing from like from here. So let me just remove this thing, and as promised I'll do it. So let me just do it the last part at this moment, like this part first. This part, dynamically accessing element, how to access dynamically accessing element part, I'm gonna do this first. Okay, so what I'll do, I will write a query like this. Okay, now with 2 3 4 5 as a. Okay, so this is it. Now I would like to access the first element from a, so that is the main part. So if I return a, and I will use $x. Okay, so this is the query I would like to get. So $x could be anything, so let's v equals to one. X means one index, 1 means 2. Here in case of cipher list, it starts with 1, not 0. Okay, so now if I run this thing, okay, result is q1, sorry, session dot run q1, and the parameter is v. Okay, for I in result print I. So I hope I did everything correctly. See, this came actually 3, the first one. So if I change this thing to 2, it is going to return 4. Okay, sorry, so okay, sorry, here also it starts with like 0, not 1. Sorry guys, my mistake. So it is 2, so not like that, because this is Python list. If you do it from Cypher, in Cypher the indexes are actually starting from 1 actually. Okay, so this is how it is. So I think the first part is completed. So what I'll do, I'll try to keep this thing in this slide, not here. Let me create a new slide. So this is actually coming out of this thing. Just leave it, duplicate slide. Okay, 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 I think this looks okay now. No, I think not okay. New slide, let me create a new slide. Okay, I'll try to, cause else it will be difficult for all of you guys to understand, so that is why I'm just creating this thing. No, okay, now okay, okay, I think I can increase the font now at least. Okay, this is okay. How to access list elements dynamically. So when you are writing some sort of program, then that time, or any application, that time this is going to be super important. So next things are like concatenation and other stuff. So concatenation, I already wrote the code over here, so I'm not going to copy write any slide for this, so I'll rather just copy paste over here. So this is going to be the same. Okay, so this is going to return the new list. See what happens, something happened here. Maybe is unexpected. Let's try this thing. Okay, B. Okay, so this is a new list. This is also done, and the next part is the in operator. So for this thing I also have written the code over here, so just copy paste this thing. So now I hope you guys understand that the Cypher part will be the same, only the Python part is going to be like change, or you need to change. A number with number, so this is going to return definitely 3. So done. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. But before concluding the video, I hope you guys are enjoying our tutorial. So if you want, I can again give it this thing, I have no problem. So we'll just duplicate slide, we'll change this part, then I just remove this thing. Probably need to increase the size. Okay, how to find list elements using in operator. So OPRA, this is one thing. The next part is that, okay, let me duplicate slide. Using plus operator, and the code will be, we have seen the code, this is the code. So that's all. I hope you guys enjoying the video. So now it will be easier for all of you to do some sort of practice. You can directly copy paste the code in your console. If you want to do it, you can save some time, but I'll highly recommend you guys to write your own code, because or else you will not be going to get any sort of confidence or any kind of intuition. You are not able to develop any kind of intuition towards actual logic or design thinking. You have to think analytically so that you can apply the actual you can apply or actually create some sort of like algorithm for your like own purpose, like depending on you are working for a startup company or your big company or something like that, or you are working as a freelancer developer. So until and unless you are not able to think by your own, it will be difficult. And you see, these are the basic thing and completely helping you to develop some sort of like intuition towards this all operator. But actually you need to do some sort of like or develop some sort of like application or logic for using this thing. Let's say you are having some sort of banking application and there you need to do some sort of comparison or finding something from the list or something, whatever. So that time probably you need this sort of operator. So for that I'm actually making you ready, but again actual work has to be done by your side. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. But before concluding the video, please let me know via feedback, comment, complaint, suggestion or recommendation via our YouTube channel or like social media post. And also if someone is watching our video for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and let us know how you are enjoying the video. And that's all. I hope you will be having a very nice weekend. This is Sunday, so hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye and have a nice weekend once again.